how to use Renderforest music visualizer, even if you've never done it before. So let's go. Alright guys, back again with another video on Renderforest, and today we are creating music videos with the help of the video creator of Renderforest. So we will go into music visualization, and they have a bunch of cool video effects to use if you have a YouTube channel, like perhaps, I don't know, Monster Cat. And I like this one. So we'll make a music video with this bass drop music visualizer. So this is how it looks, just one slide, and we will put our logo over here like this, and a background image. Perhaps it's the track or anything, but since I don't have one, I will just use a stock media photo. No music, no life. Perfect. Yes. And author name and track. So Chewbacca. Dunk. And style, you can choose whatever style that you like. I think this one is sweet. And we need music. So what you do is that you upload the track that you want to make a record of. I already have one uploaded, Chewbacca. We add it, plus. Have it load. Preview. And start exporting it in low quality to see how it looks. And the video is queuing, it will render, and what I noticed on Renderforest is that making music visualizers takes quite a while to render, so I will be coming back as soon as it's done. So the video is done rendering, and let's take a look at what we produced. Nice. Yeah, it's sweet, it's nice, it's nice. So that's how easy it is to make a music visualizer. You will have to experiment a little bit with the pictures and etc., but I think it became sweet. Alright, so that was it for this video, and I hope it was helpful. See you in the next video.